We are in DLF Capital Greens right now, and we are going to showcase the highest residential apartment in Delhi. So this is a ready to move in flat. So we'll start off from the kitchen. So this is a fully customized, brand new kitchen. All the appliances are almost brand new. This is your countertop where you can have a breakfast on go. So यहाँ पर एक wall हुआ करती थी. They have broken down the wall and created a very nice countertop. And here you can see all the wooden work and everything is very premium and it's brand new. We have stove, we have chimney, we have microwave, we have a brand new refrigerator, we have a fully automatic washing machine. So this is a fully furnished home. अभी इसके अंदर डाइनिंग टेबल और सोफास नहीं है, but the owner is going to install that also. This is your TV cabinet, and the best part about this flat is the view, and we will save it for the last. So this is your common washroom. And right in front of it is a very beautiful first bedroom. This is a very decorated bedroom, and we have a balcony with your drawing and dining area. The second balcony connects your first and second bedroom, and third balcony has its private. Third bedroom has its private balcony. And if you're gonna see there also, we have false ceiling throughout the flat. We have chandeliers, false ceiling, beautiful lighting. This is the second bedroom with an attached washroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-washroom flat. We have storage area all over. This is the wardrobes and this is the attached washroom. Please have a look at that. And we have false ceiling throughout the house, the drawing room, in all the bedrooms, everywhere. This is a master bedroom with an attached washroom. And this is your master bedroom. And this flat has a very good storage space. So these are the wardrobes. We have some on the top also, and this is a very nice concept for a wardrobe. This is an attached dressing table, you can say, dressing table. So this mirror pops out and you can keep your cosmetics and everything here. We have storage area here also on top, so you get your luggage. So now we are going to show you the best part about this home. That is the view. So we just told you that this is the highest residential apartment in Delhi. Just look at the view. पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर I don't think except of DLF Capital Greens आपको ये view कहीं से मिलने वाला है. I don't think camera is doing justice to the view. जो naked eye से यहाँ पे view दिखता है, that is mesmerizing. रात का view यहाँ का phenomenal है. That is NSP. You can just see over the horizon from here. I can actually see the horizon. The view is absolutely mesmerizing. This is the view from the house at night. Just look at it. So owner ने एक बहुत अच्छा concept यहाँ पे करा है. These are the windows that we have, so we can close them. You can close them. You can open up the gate, and this becomes an extension of your living room only. So यहाँ पे पूरी acrylic की sheets लगी हुई हैं. Over here is this jali, whatever we say that. And बाकी bedrooms के अंदर वहाँ पे proper glass लगा हुआ है. So you can open up the balconies. You can actually use this space. यहाँ से आपको बहुत अच्छा व्यू दिखने वाला है. And the sun is right over here. I'm just getting the glaze of it. And the view is just amazing. इस फ्लैट का व्यू ही सब कुछ है. अपार्टमेंट आपको हर जगह मिल जाएंगे, बट ये व्यू आपको पूरी दिल्ली में से कहीं से नहीं मिलने वाला है. So if you want this home, you can call us on the given number right below. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-washroom home, fully customized home. और फुली फर्निश्ड है. अगर आप अभी ड्राइंग डाइनिंग के अंदर जैसे मैंने बताया था, अभी यहाँ पर सोफाज और डाइनिंग टेबल नहीं है, बट ओनर वो भी आपको 100% प्रोवाइड करके देंगे. फुली फर्निश्ड 3 BHK DLF कैपिटल ग्रीन्स के अंदर 60 से लेकर 90,000 रुपीज़ प्लस मेंटेनेंस के ऊपर अवेलेबल होते हैं. और अगर आप 2 बेडरूम या 4 बेडरूम देख रहे हैं इधर इन फेज 2 और फेज 3, सो फॉर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉन्टैक्ट अस। और अगर आप कुछ खरीदने का परचेज करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं आइदर 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK इन फेज 2 और 3 और CSP, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली कॉल अस ऑन द गिवन नंबर राइट बिलो। आप हमसे लीजिए या नहीं, हमारे पास बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस होती हैं, आप हमारे से देखने के लिए जरूर आ सकते हैं क्योंकि हम देखने के पैसे नहीं लेते। दिस साइड ध्रुव फ्रॉम प्रॉप वन साइनिंग ऑफ, थैंक यू।